to the San Diego Java Users Group. I'm Paul Weber, your host for this evening. Tonight we have a really big show and all kinds of accessories. But first, a couple of ground rules. One, if you haven't been here before, please do sign in on the sign-in roster. It's the liability form for ResNet. Secondly, turn your phones to vibrate, please. Enjoy the pizza and everything that we have. If you need Wi-Fi, it's Sleep Right. We are a sleep company here at ResNet. We'd like to make you sleep better. So, kind of interesting. And also a quick thank you to Mitchell, our sponsor for the evening of the pizza and soda and whatnot. And we have a couple of people from Mitchell that will be speaking here during our announcements page. But, thank you for the pizza. So I did kind of open it up and let the videos play a little bit, but this is the 20th year of Java, if you can imagine. It's been going on for that long. Threw together a couple of videos that are but then they had James Gosling do a little speech from Tokyo. We'll skip that for tonight. But the outline for tonight, Wolf Paulus is our speaker, and they'll be talking a little bit before the break and after the break. Showing us some little gadgets he's got going here. New people. Is there anyone new to the users group this evening? All right, one person. Yes. Now, the only reason is give me an excuse to talk about our mission statement. Why do we come here each month, month after month, for how long has it been? At least 2000 since I've been here. That's 15 years, and a few years before that when the other guys were taking over. But we get together, share our knowledge and understanding of Java, the technology around Java within the San Diego community. And of course, to do that little networking bit here and see what's going on, and then have some very interesting speakers come on down. How you can help. I need speakers. I've been pretty good for the last 4 months of getting speakers out here, and prior to that we had the no fluff, just stuff. But the fall season is coming, and it's very difficult to get speakers, I guess. So if you know of somebody, or you yourself has a topic, just like Wolf, this is kind of his pet project kind of stuff. You want something to chat about, give you the gumption to put together your slideshow, your elevator pitch, and anything else you want to, please let me know. If you know somebody, please let me know. That'd be good. Sponsorship is always good, so if your company can sponsor one of the evenings, that would be wonderful also. Becoming a member, quite easy. You just join up to the Yahoo group. We have over 1,200 since we began the group a while ago. We also do the cross-posting to the Android group every now and then, so if it's an Android topic like this evening, you're very much invited to come. Okay, now the announcements. Then a word from our sponsor. So besides Heidi, we're going to introduce Dominic, one of the technical guys.
Hi everyone, my name is Dominic Early. I'm a Senior Director of Engineering at Mitchell International. Mitchell is a San Diego-based company. You probably have not heard of us unless you've been involved in some kind of car accident, for example. We build software for the P&C insurance industry, property and casualty. And we also build solutions for the auto repair industries to fix your car after a car accident. Sounds kind of boring, but we do deal with a lot of really interesting technical issues. We write desktop software, we write mobile software on iOS devices, we write web applications, we write backend software, we write data services. We do pretty much everything you can possibly do with software. In terms of Java, for this audience, we are doing a lot of Java development, some very traditional JEE type applications for both backend processing, even some web applications. We actually ship appliances running Java software to repair shops to help with automation of photo management. And more recently, we're starting to look at next generation technologies for Mitchell's current enterprise initiative around services-oriented architecture, and that's kind of where I'm heavily involved. we're using some really cool technologies now, like Docker, Spring Boot, Camel, ActiveMQ, looking at lots of other technologies around continuous integration, continuous delivery. The great news is we are actively hiring. Jaime informs me that we've got approximately 25 open positions right now for Java engineers specifically. So Jaime's the guy to talk to, or just go to www.mitchell.com and check out our careers page to check out what's available at Mitchell. I think that's enough from me for now. I'll be here all night, so if you want to come talk to me afterwards about opportunities or some of the technologies we're playing with, I'd be happy to try and address those. Definitely, I'll take you up on the opportunity to find some speakers. Maybe we'll talk about some of the cool things we're doing for maybe one of the upcoming presentations.
Great, great. Thank you very much. Thank you again.
No, I think Don covered it all.
Okay.
But yeah, we are actively hiring for actually for this team, in addition to our product delivery teams. So if you have interest in working with some of those technologies and working on some of those complex issues, feel free to look me up.
Do you have any Android openings or possibilities?
Android.
I believe we're looking into Android. I'm not sure if we're actively recruiting for that at this point, but in the near future, certainly we're on a third iteration, I think, of our iOS repair shop management dashboard offering.
Okay.
I believe we're looking at something expanded as well.
Okay, great. Thank you again.
But we don't have any Android.
Right. Yeah. We have some of the Android developers meet up here, so that's why I kind of tie it in. There's a possibility.
I know a lot of our engineers have played around with Android. Some of them have built applications, have applications out in a while. So we've also been playing around with Raspberry Pis.
Okay.
We've got our Raspberry Pis as well. So we keep gathering on the Android.
All right, sounds good. Thank you again. Okay, moving on. This is where I like to open it up to the community. Is there anyone looking for work? Oh, everybody's gainfully employed. Oh! What? There's... I won't go there.
I didn't realize it was you, so
Yeah. So, a friend of mine, Matt Tyler, he actually works here. So, and then are there any other hiring managers in the audience that may have job openings? Please.
Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Andre. I'm a senior recruiter for Cognitive Medical Systems here in San Diego. We're actually actively hiring several full-time positions for Java engineers currently, and we anticipate a number of additional openings coming through the end of the year. So come up and talk to me if you're interested, or if not, check out our website, www.cognitivemedicalsystems.com, and there's a good list of our openings. We're working on some pretty cool stuff, and there's a pretty good write-up on there as well about some of the things we're working on. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you. Anyone else? All right. So coming up next week, I just saw our speaker walk in, or next month. German Eichberger will be talking about OpenStack. So thank you, one of our community developers. Yeah. So just fresh back from a conference or something, right? Yes, very good. So stay tuned for next month's exciting episode. OSCON, the O'Reilly people are putting on their open source conference coming up, I guess in July. So they've given us a little code that take a look on our announcements board. I put the code at SDJug. Apparently if 4 people use that code, then the SDJug will get 1 free pass to raffle off, which we'd have to do very quickly or just before the meeting. Otherwise, there's also a 20% discount code there. It's in very small print to use your magnifying glass. Any other announcements? People know things coming up. I just remembered a couple. One is the last weekend of this month at the Reuben H. Fleet Science Center is the annual it's a autonomous robotics competition. So it's a kind of like a 5th grade through 12th grade competition, and it's in the back of the Reuben H. Fleet Center. If you have never seen kids compete at that level, it's very cool. I ran the show for 7 years and stepped down this year, so somebody else is doing it, but it's still pretty good. Steve?
Sorry.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay, and Java 1 conference is coming up. I believe it's at the end of, I want to say October. So that will be up in the Bay Area, of course. Is anyone planning to attend Java 1 this year? I can get a speaker for November. Lined up? Okay. Moving on, Wolf Paulus, our primary speaker for the evening. So, yay! But before I turn it over to you, his bio here: photographer, hiker, hacker, technologist, and he does it all at the same time. So we've had him before, very good speaker, and just one more slide. So ResMed, of course, the pitch, this lovely facility, and thank you to the facility people who stay over and help us clean up. And so at the end, we get rid of all the trash. Okay, on that, I'll turn it over to Wolf. I'm going to push him back.